Mishnah. You can find it in the handouts on the Bima. It's on page 133. Hilvahu alamashko, and you lent somebody money, and somebody gave you something in return. It took a pledge of some sort. Shomer sachar. So the watcher is the category of a paid watcher. So because he, according to the Tanakama, actually, what's the pay here? He's not using the person's thing. He's not using the pledge. So how's he a shomer sachar? So the Gemara explains that at the time that he loans him the money, so he is doing a mitzvah. He's a mitzvah of lending him the money, and therefore, because of the reward for that mitzvah, he is gets some sort of benefit. The Gemara even explains that there's even a financial benefit, meaning if somebody's involved with one mitzvah, so you're watching this guy's pledge, which is part of the whole approach of lending him the money. So you're exempt. If you're involved with one mitzvah, you're exempt for another mitzvah. So meaning if he doesn't have to, write a check at that moment to the mishulch who comes to the door because he's busy watching this guy's thing, so he saves money on one thing at the same time that he's doing the other mitzvah. However, Rabbi Yehuda Omer Hovo Mo Shomer Chinam. Rabbi Yehuda says, nah, we don't look at that kind of benefit. The benefit that you get, the reward for lending him the money, that doesn't count. And therefore, he's considered to be a non-paid watcher if he lent him money. However, Hilvahu Peiros Shomer Sachar. If he lent him produce, so then he is considered to be a paid watcher. It's an advantage because since the fruits will rot, so the guy who lends the fruits, actually he gets a benefit because his things aren't going to rot. He's going to get back fresh ones, and therefore he's considered to be a shomer sachar. He's got a paid watcher. He's getting a benefit. Abba Shol Omer mutar adam lahaskir mashkono shalani lios posek alav v'holech mipnei shu kemeshiv aveda. So Abba Shol says a person can go ahead and rent out the pledge that was given to him by a poor person, and as he rents it out, little by little, it pays off the debt. He says, because it's like returning a lost object, meaning there's no way this guy's going to be able to pay back. So he uses the pledged item in a way that he'll be able to get the guy's money back for him and then return the item to him ultimately.
It's like a pawn shop.
Yeah. Except that in this case, you're trying to get the thing back to the guy, not to,
Well, you're trying to pay the debt of the pawn
Right.
shop. Yeah, right, yeah.
So you're not making any money. The pawn shop makes money on the deal. I guess you are making money in the sense that you get your money back, and you don't have to hold on to this guy's thing, which is good for you too, probably. But it's only, the Gemara explains, in a case of a mashkon, of a pledge of something that doesn't really have tremendous wear and tear. If something has tremendous wear and tear, so then you're going to give it back to them in the lousy shape, so then it's no good. It has to be something that has only minimal wear and tear that you're able to rent out and able to, therefore pay down the debt.